Hi, this is Dr. Rugenstein, and I've talked about Knox, New York quite a bit, and I thought I would take you down and show you Knox, New York. It's a little hamlet, used to be known as Knoxville. We'll be going down the Knox Cave Road. And so the cave's on the other end. We won't be going by any caves or anything like that. But in any case, we're going to go down to Knox and take a little look-see. And you'll get a better idea of what it's like. Here we go. So this is Knox Cave Road. We'll be going down into the hamlet. Take a look at the park. There's a town park there. Town offices are there. So I will pick back up when we get closer to Knox, New York. Into Knox shortly here. We're in Albany County. If you're wondering what county we're in. As I said, it was Knoxville. The town itself was formed as part of Bern in 1822. Beaver Dam Creek runs through this little hamlet of Knox. During the American Revolution, there was quite a split between the Patriots and the Tories, I guess, in Knox. Peace was finally achieved when the Tories left. Many times they were pretty much forced out of the area. So this is, in the 1800s, was known as Knoxville. But the post office box was, even at that time, the post office box was known as Knox. So this is a rural area of New York State. There is a lot of farms out this way. Knoxville Park, not the park we're going to, that is typically known as a trailer park. But here we are coming into Knox. Altamont Road. We are going to be going this way. Knox Market Cafe is closed. Down this way should be a park. Should be the town offices. County Police, I guess. That's the town park there. Albany County, oh, it must be the Sheriff's Department thing. Town of Knox Parklands. There's a pavilion, playground, and a number of people here. It's a nice little park. Looks like a place to walk. Very nice little place. Emergency Services Mobile Tactical Trainer. It says no parking there. No parking there. No parking anywhere. Cemetery there. So this is Knox, New York. Reformed Church. So when I say that we are in Knox, New York, or things are near Knox, New York, you know where Knox, New York is. Just going to turn around here and go back north, as it were. So with that, we'll say have a good day and welcome to Knox. I said have a nice day, and I thought, well, we haven't gone back to the other part, so I guess it's not have a nice day yet. Well, have a nice day, but now we're coming back into Knox from the other end. And now we're going back. There we go. So with that, I will say, have a good day.